Hey, Mark here from A Whole Lot to Love. Today we're going to show you how to program the basic functions of the Profitec Pro 600 PID here. So first, what we're looking at right now, we're seeing the two different temperatures here in the boilers. Right, that's the steam boiler, and indicated by a little dot there flashing, and the brew boiler at 200 degrees Fahrenheit with that dot flashing. A little dot indicates when the boiler is actually getting little pulses of energy. Now, if I want to turn this display right off so I don't have to see it, the machine will still operate. Just press the plus button and hold that, and the display will turn right off. And then to get it back on, just press the button again, and it'll come back on. Now let's take a look at how to program boiler temperatures. To do that, we're just going to press the plus and minus button together, then quickly set. So T1, that's our brew boiler, and you see I'm adjusting the temperature here. Now on 201, that's fine. If I just let it go and leave it, it will go back to normal operation. When I do the steam boiler, it's press plus and minus together again, and then go to T2, and then quickly to the plus sign and to start adjusting. Now on this one, I can go all the way up to 270 degrees for the steam boiler if I like. And again, just to get back to normal operation, just do nothing. All right, next up, we're going to take a look at how to set backflush or cleaning reminders here. To again, press plus and minus together, then quickly using the minus button, we'll go to CLN, and then we can set this. This is the number of brew cycles. So if I wanted a cleaning reminder after 70 or 80 or 90 or 100, that's what I can do. Go all the way up to 200. I'm going to set mine at 100. That's what I like for a backflush reminder, is 100 brew cycles. And so now that's set. Don't have to do anything else. And if I just sit and leave it here, it will return back to normal operation. Now we'll set up eco mode on the machine. What this does is turns off the boilers after a certain number of minutes of not using the machine. If you go and use the machine, you'll start over again in that count of minutes. So to do that, plus and minus together, then the minus key until we see eco. And then we just press the plus button. Right now it's off, but I can go in 30-minute increments here all the way out to 600 minutes, which would be 10 hours. I'm going to leave mine at, let's make it 5 hours, which would be 300 minutes. So 5 hours after not using the machine, the boilers will stop heating. And if I just do nothing, it returns it to normal operation here. Here's how you change the machine from displaying Celsius or Fahrenheit temperatures. Right now I'm in Fahrenheit. If I wanted to get Celsius, I just press plus and minus. I keep going through here until we see the little degree symbol. Now we can change between Fahrenheit and Celsius here. I'm going to leave mine in Fahrenheit. Again, just don't do anything else and the machine will return right back to displaying temperatures. Now I'll show you how to turn off the steam boiler. To do that, just press plus and minus, and then use the minus key to go to O2, then use the plus button to turn it on or off. I do want my steam boiler on, so I will leave it on. Again, do nothing here. It will return to just displaying the boiler temperatures and normal operation. And that's all of the basic settings that you can do on the PID on the Profitec Pro 600. I'm Mark. Thanks for watching.